Hello and welcome to our channel. As a parent, you want to ensure your child's safety while using social media platforms like Instagram. In this video, we'll show you how to put an Instagram account under supervision as a kid. To get started, open your Instagram app on your mobile device. You can tap on your Instagram profile picture tab or the 3 horizontal stacked lines to access the menu in the upper right corner. Scroll down the menu until you find the supervision option. Tap on it to proceed. Before proceeding, read through the terms of supervision carefully. Once you've read and understood them, tap on Next. Create an invitation by filling in the required details and then share it with your parents via any application on your mobile device. The invitation will be sent to your parents as a link. As a parent, tap on the link received from your child and then tap on Next to proceed. Once the supervision invitation is accepted, you can now monitor your kid's Instagram account. You can track their screen time, view what they watch, and see what they like or follow. Instagram's supervision feature is a great way to ensure that your child is safe while using the platform. With it, you can monitor their activity and prevent them from accessing inappropriate content or interacting with strangers. In addition to supervision, there are other steps you can take to keep your child safe on Instagram. One of the most important is to set privacy controls on their account. By doing so, you can limit who can see their posts and who can follow them. You can also teach your child about online safety and encourage them to speak to you if they encounter any issues or problems. In conclusion, Instagram's supervision feature is an excellent tool for parents who want to ensure their child's safety on the platform. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily set up supervision and start monitoring your child's Instagram account. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content like this. Thank you for watching.